Hi, this is Justin from the Wrap Institute, and this video is about printing with Avery Dennison MPI 1105 Supercast Series vinyl. It'll highlight all the unique benefits of MPI 1105 for printing, as well as give easy-to-follow printing protocols to help ensure consistent, vibrant prints that have outstanding performance. The first step is to go to this URL, which will take you to a dedicated page on the Avery Dennison website, and here you can download an ICC profile for free to help ensure that you get the best print quality for your MPI 1105. Simply follow these easy protocol steps, and once you choose the print manufacturer, RIP manufacturer, print model, and RIP version, then simply download the profile and you're good to go. MPI 1105 is compatible with all ink platforms: solvent, eco-solvent, UV compatible inks that are recommended for 3D contours, and latex. And note that for solvent and eco-solvent inks, it's very important to outgas for 24 hours before laminating. Before printing the entire job, it's always a good idea to do a test print. This will help ensure that all the colors are correct and that the print heads are working properly. And when the printing and lamination process is over, section up the panels when applicable and include a printed layout of the job to help ensure high workflow. Avery Dennison MPI 1105 has an excellent white point, which means that the difference between printed and non-printed sections will have a vibrant contrast, and that full coverage printing, even solid colors, will have optimal depth and clarity. This high print quality is the basis for dramatic transformations like on this box truck, as well as the ability for clients and designers to allow their vision to come to reality. It also helps ensure consistent quality with fleet wraps, as well as the ability to ensure consistent colors for full-service company branding. And when it comes to install, when using MPI 1105 with the right ICC profile and outgassing when necessary, even when the film is stretched to its limits, like here on this vent or on this front bumper, it'll maintain its color. This gives installers confidence and ensures high workflow, which is a recipe for success. So you can see that whether you are wrapping a food truck, box truck, fleets, or expensive sedans, the print quality of Avery Dennison MPI 1105 can be a true tool for success. And for more information, to ask questions, or to find a distributor near you, you can go to this URL.